Confirm ko lang po kasi with what attorney Fadolian said na meron kaming we were given temporary security. Definitely we weren't. I had to get our own security for me and my kids after the session here where we mentioned the 17 congressmen. So hindi po kami nabigyan ng DOJ ng any security whatsoever. And then yung sinasabi na hindi kami nakikipag-cooperate. Actually, the affidavits that they were requesting were prepared and we were ready to give it to DOJ. Pero kasi we were required to restitute first. So hindi namin
You were required to restitute how much?
Wala silang sinabi na amount. So hindi namin alam kung ano yung restitution.
Baka stipulation lang.
So it was one of the one of the stipulations
PG,
that
baka stipulation lang
was
yun
asked of us.
Mr. Chair, I am not privy because I am not part of the ones who have been talking
Yes.
to and communicating
Yes,
with the
po,
Vizcaya couple. So I will have to validate that information, Mr. Chair, as to whether or not
So-
restitution was made a condition.
Maybe you can renew your application.
Actually, hindi din
Puntahan nyo na
kami...
lang si PG Padulyon.
Opo, hindi na po kami, we are 100% trying to cooperate with whatever is asked of us. So when Mr. Vizcaya was let out for a half day to do the ledger, nagpasa po kami ng ledger ni Yusek Bernardo nung day din na yon. Pero hindi din pinansin. Parang sinabi sa amin, the case will go on
Okay,
even without
para
the
lang kasi
ledgers.
490 na, no? Sabihin nyo ng lawyer ninyo, mag-coordinate sa DOJ. Andito yung director ng WPP. Kung makipag-ugnayan, para hindi tayo dito nagba-back and forth. Hindi tayo matatapos eh. Kasi I think there's a lot of miscommunication eh. No, iba yung interpretation, iba yung interpretation.
Yes. From Mr. and Mrs. Vizcaya. They have not gone back to the department. There has been no coordination made by by the couple, either by their lawyer. The last thing that we heard from them was when they declared that they will no longer be cooperating with the ICI. Since then, we have not had the opportunity to talk to them. So there can be no evaluation that can be done by the Witness Protection Program absent any disclosures coming from the couple, Mr. Chair.
Does that answer your question?
Your Honor, kasi nung mga nakaraan po, ilang beses din po kami bumalik po sa DOJ po. Kaya lang wala pa po pong pinapakita sa amin po na MOA.
Ganun kasimple, may proseso sila dyan. Anyway, PG Padulyon.
I think it should be explained to the couple, sir, that there is no such thing as an ex-deal here where they will provide us with documents and then we will immediately, or the Witness Protection Program will immediately give them a memorandum of
In
agreement.
other words, hindi kaliwaan.
Hindi po kaliwaan yan. Because precisely, the reason why these affidavits will have to be submitted first is for us to evaluate and determine whether the same is compliant with the requirements of the WPSB law. And second, if it can be corroborated by other pieces of evidence. A simple statement telling us or naming 100 names will not make any difference unless the same can be substantiated. And thus far, we have not seen any. And therefore, there can be no evaluation that can be made or be given by the Witness Protection Program, sir.
My